أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
لقد جاءكم رسول من أنفسكم عزيز عليه ما عنتم حريص عليكم بالمؤمنين رؤوف رحيم.
There has come to you a messenger from among yourselves, concerned over your suffering, anxious over you, towards the believers. He is compassionate and merciful.
فإن تولوا فقل حسبي الله لا إله إلا هو عليه توكلت وهو رب العرش العظيم.
If they turn away, say, Allah is enough for me, there is no God except He, in Him I have put my trust, He is the Lord of the sublime throne.